Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wal barakatuh. Binabati po natin ang mga participants ng SLAAP activity sa MSU Marawi in Lanao del Sur. You will gather for 2 days in order to make sure that there will be relevant discussions for youth development na pwede pong i-share sa mga kasamahan natin na taga Mindanao. Napakaganda ng gathering na ito sapagkat ang inyong i-discuss at yung tema ng inyong programa ay Sustainable Development Goals. Nasa transition phase tayo from Millennium Development Goals to Sustainable Development Goals. Ang gagawin po natin ito ay isang malaking hakbang sapagkat kailangan nating sagutin yung tanong kung saan ba natin ipoposisyon ang mga kabataan under the greater scheme of things. Tapos na po tayo sa ating agenda kung saan marami ang kailangan i-pursue under the Millennium Development Goals. Kaya during our gathering sa last na One Asia Youth Forum, nakita po natin na hindi lang dapat ang mga kabataan recipients sa kung ano yung mga mabubuting bunga out of pursuing the Sustainable Development Goals. We should also give them the chance to be at the front line and be part of participatory governance. There are many things which we can foster if we talk about Sustainable Development Goals. Dito pumapasok yung mga important thematic areas such as education, employment, health, participation, environment, and other services that matter much to the different sectors. Kaya nga po, kami on the part of the National Youth Commission, aming itatagpi po ito sa gagawin po naming Philippine Youth Development Plan, kung saan meron po tayong mga adhikain na kailangan i-pursue in the coming years from 2017 to 2022 in order to respond to the needs of young people. Marami na po tayong mga kabataan ngayon, kaya hindi biro kung ano yung pwede natin gawin para tulungan ang ating pamahalaan. The National Youth Commission will also be releasing the results of the National Youth Assessment Study upang makita kung ano pa yung mga pwede nating gawin. We have invested so much these past few years in making sure that youth development remains a top priority of the government. We cannot do this all by ourselves. That's why we need your commitment, we need your support. Ang SLAAP ay isang magandang avenue where we may be able to solicit recommendations and significant output that may be able to guide institutions such as the National Youth Commission to develop a greater will in making sure that we positively respond to whatever the aspirations of the young people are at the ground level are. Maraming pagkakataon ang pwedeng maibigay sa inyo upang matututunan ninyo ang mga mahalagang konsepto tulad ng community leadership and development. Diyan naman natin kailangan ang mga kabataan. Pangalawa, project management and development. Dapat binibigyan natin ng pagkakataon ang bawat kabataan na maging parte ng mahahalagang adhikain, lalong-lalo na if we talk of human development and addressing the vulnerabilities of people. Kung saan alam naman natin na kontrary yun sa gusto nating mangyari, which is to develop a quality type of citizenry for the Philippines. Access to management and support. Gusto natin ma-realize sa mga kabataan na hindi sila left behind. In the concept of local government support, nasa political will ng ating mga local leaders na bigyan ng pagkakataon at importansya ang sektor ng kabataan. We talk about funding, we talk about access, we talk about opportunities. Kung nabibigyan nila ng halaga ang other basic services, I think it is also good if we may be able to establish the fact that young people should not be left behind and young people should be treated equally in terms of what the government offers for its people. Local mobilization ay isa sa mga pwede kong sabihin na expertise ng ating mga kabataan. In fact, when we need young individuals who will help us when it comes to serious advocacy such as disaster risk reduction and management, gusto natin na mas ma-nurture pa yung skills at saka yung capacity nila to be able to do so and contribute their fair share towards nation building. Nagpapasalamat ako sapagkat patuloy ang inyong suporta at pagtitiwala sa National Youth Commission. We may be a small agency, but because of the numbers of young people who rally behind our major interest for the youth sector, we can say that we are a solid and major power block. The population of the Philippines just turned 100 million. The mark was sealed when the 100 millionth baby was born. Imagine what the Filipino youth can do. Imagine what you can do. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.